Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online class of economics. Today we will be going to learn a new chapter, that is foreign exchange rate. Actually, in the syllabus, it is given in open economics topic for term 1. So it is to be calculated in the term 1 portion with the balance of payment chapter. After that, it has been added up. So because of that, it has to be introduced to you people. So I am making this video for the explanation, that is a foreign exchange rate. What do you mean by foreign exchange rate, student? Foreign exchange rate is a system in which any country can exchange the currency of their country with the another country. That currency is known as foreign exchange rate. So this is a system, or rate refers to the rate at which one country unit of currency of a country can be exchanged for the number of units of currency of another country. In other words, we can say it is a price paid in domestic currency in order to get 1 unit of foreign currency. Example, we can see there $1 equals to 50 rupees. Or if we want to know how much we have to pay for $1, we must know that we have to pay 50 rupees. So rupees 1 equals to 1 by $50 equals to 2 cents. We have to give so as to get $1. Thus, exchange rate expresses the ratio of exchange between the currencies of two countries. It is the price of a currency expressed in terms of another currency. Some economics refer to it as the external value of the currency. So once again, the meaning: foreign exchange rate. The rate refers to the rate at which 1 unit of a currency of one country can be exchanged for number of units of currency of another country. It is known as foreign exchange rate. In the words of Crowther, the rate of exchange measures number of units of one currency which is exchanged in a foreign market for 1 unit of another. System of exchange rate, when we see broadly, two systems or types of exchange rate have evolved over time. One is fixed exchange rate system, second is flexible exchange rate system. When we talk about fixed exchange rate system, it is that system, student, has the name is fixed. So fixed rate of exchange refers to rate of exchange have fixed by the government. Historically, it has two important variants. One is gold standard and one is Bretton Woods, which is also known as adjustable peg system of exchange. What is peg? That is the means related to. So let us see one by one. Fixed exchange rate system, first of all, the meaning: that type of rate of exchange system in which rate of exchange is fixed. It cannot be changed. It is fixed by the government. Now let us see gold standard system of exchange. So I want to explain you gold standard rate of exchange. When we talk, student, it is that system which initiated in the beginning of the emperor's time, when there was a very great value of the gold. So that time the system privileged that the exchange rate must be based on the gold value of every country. So every country is having different gold values. As we know now, it is like the same way it was earlier. So it was there, every country will value their currency in gold terms, and again it will be exchanged in the another currency. So gold standard system of exchange rate is that, according to this system, prevalent in most countries prior to 1920s, gold was taken as a common unit of parity between currencies of different countries in circulation. Each country was to define value of gold in value of currency in terms of gold. Accordingly, value of one currency in terms of another currency was fixed considering gold value of each currency. Example, if UK pound equals to 4 gram of gold, then US dollar, if it is of 2 gram of gold, definitely if US want 1 pound, they have to give $2 to UK so as to get 1 pound. So their simple story is there. 2 US dollars would exchange for 1 UK pound. And because of that, this is also known as mint par value of exchange or mint parity value system of currency exchange, implied gold value of the currency. Second system of fixed exchange rate is Bretton Woods system of exchange rate or adjustable peg system of exchange rate. When we talk about Bretton Woods, first of all, why its name is Bretton Woods? It was named as Bretton Woods exchange rate of system because it was the system which is named as United Nations Monetary Financial Conference, which was held at place of USA, that was named as Bretton Woods. And because of that, this meeting which was held for the exchange rate system in Bretton Woods, it was named as Bretton Woods exchange rate system. Bretton Woods systems, even when it was fixed fixed system of exchange rate allowed some adjustment. So it was called adjustable peg system also. Why? Because with different countries it was adjustable with the US dollar. Different countries were pegged or related to one currency, that is US dollar. As you know, every country's currency is different, so every country's currency is different, so its value will be also different, which is related to one currency, that is US dollar. It was decided in the meeting. US dollar was assigned gold value at a fixed price. Value of one currency in terms of US dollar ultimately implied value of currency in terms of gold. Gold continued to be the ultimate unit of parity between any two currencies. Adjustment in the parity value of a currency was possible, but only if allowed by International Monetary Fund. I will continue this video in the next. For today only. Thank you.